The company sent me these great solar step lights that I wanted to try out, and I really like, for one thing, that they're not white. I also really like that they are lighting up this step in both directions. So we live in an RV. This is our little porch here. And you can see our old lights up there. Several of them have went out, as you can see right there. Those aren't lighting up anymore. These were our previous lights, and they just didn't hold up very well. And let me see, there's one that's still working. You can see it kind of just shines down. Let me move this. Just shines down in that one spot. But these new lights, these are great. I haven't applied them yet because I wanted to see how they looked at night and make sure I had them where I wanted them. But they have lights on both sides. So when you set it down, the light shines both directions. I can see not only the end of the step, but I can see the center of it. So as you can see, I have them laid out there, and it does light up the path that you would walk going up the steps, as well as showing you the edge of the step. So I really like these. They light up two directions. They're nice and bright. They, of course, are solar, and they do attach with a double-sided